Hello, beautiful entities. I hope all is well with any and everyone who is witnessing this video. So, today I just wanted to come on and briefly discuss this Jimmy Kimmel scandal drama that has come to a head last night. He was televised across the country, well, not in all states. Um, and I just wanted to comment that if this has not shown us anything, it has shown us that there is strength in numbers, power in protest, and that the people that are pulling the strings, the powers that be, if you hit them where it hurts, their pockets, because it's all about financial gain, that's when change occurs. We must stop supporting the enterprises, the companies, the brands that do not support us. For those of us who feel like we do not have a voice. However, we go out here and we purchase items, we purchase things from these people. We need to stop. We must be rebels with a cause. And being a rebel does not mean you have to commit crime, break laws. You can protest, you can boycott, you cannot purchase items from these companies that do not reflect our thoughts, how we look, our beliefs, the images that we reflect, that we project. If they are not standing with us, we must not stand with them, because a lot of our freedoms are being challenged. Our reproductive autonomy, for those of us who are able to portal life into this realm, autonomy, you're telling us what we can do with our bodies, with our voices, and it's not fair. But you can do whatever you'd like. You can spew hate. You can endorse, just these messages of inequality, of divisiveness. Use tools that divide us, inhibit us, quell our innate fire. But we must stand and just be quiet. And it's not fair. It's not fair. So I just brought the Jimmy Kimmel debacle up to show that there is strength in numbers and power in protest. Obviously, money is the main concern, or financial gain, however that looks. So let's make our voices heard and not support the people and enterprises that do not support us. And ultimately, I want us to be, in a place of equality. I want us to have equality, to experience the same things, have access to the things that will make our lives better. That's the goal. So I do wish peace. I wish love, and may the Creator be with you all. Thank you.